What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another great video for you guys. Today, guys, we're about to paint my bumper. It's been primer this whole damn time. This is just a temporary paint. I have plans on painting this whole car, so I just need this bumper to match because I can't afford the full paint job right now. But that bumper needs to get painted so it can at least be decent enough for the car shows. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys. How you guys been? I miss you guys. You know, Gorba's dropping them bangers and I'm starting to pick up again. Drop more bangers for you guys. I hope you guys been doing great. This year is gonna be freaking hot. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be banging this year. So you guys keep staying motivated. Keep doing what you guys do. Keep modifying. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's a new year, new plans, new goals. I got primer. And I picked up this Duplicolor Chrysler Stone White for that bumper. I'm gonna make this and I'm gonna show you guys how to make your car look so sick when you guys painting any panel on this car, you know? So I got this from AutoZone. I got leftover clear coat from the engine bay, so I'm gonna use that, the 2K Glamour coat. It's gonna make this thing look so glossy. Thank you guys for watching. Time for a new adventure. Let's get it. Guys, so we got the bumper right here. It's completely primered white. I'm gonna wet sand it. I only had painted a couple of things, which the biggest job I had was my engine bay. That was done almost professional grade. I used guns, air compressor and everything to get that done. It was a 2-stage paint. This right here is rattle can job, plus the gun clear coat that I'm gonna throw on it. And like always, guys, it just takes a lot of practice. Patience, for sure. Flash times. Look at your directions on your paints. Every paint's different. So follow the flash times. That's a big important thing, you know what I'm saying? But this is going to be a quick video on how I'm doing this. You know, it's not really a how-to video, but you guys can use it as a how-to video, you know, and hopefully you guys get the courage to paint your own things, you know. You guys can do a quick paint job, you know, in your house, inside your house, outside, whatever. You know, pretty soon I'll be painting this one, so you guys will get the video for that. Either paint or wrap, you know, I'm still debating, but I think it's gonna be paint, it's cheaper. So guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use my little sander and sand down some of these little chips that I have in here. See those little things? They're gonna bug the hell out of me, so I'm gonna at least try to get rid of them. Just got done sanding it. I actually went overboard. I'm kind of like a perfectionist, guys. You know, I like to have things perfect. Some little things were bugging me in that bumper. Had like little chips in it, so I wanted to get rid of it most of it I can. That's what I got now. See that? So now it's ready for the first primer coat. So I'm gonna give it at least 3 coats, and then I'm gonna wet sand the whole thing and get it ready for the base coat. Let's get it. Okay, guys, we got here the bumper. This is already the second coat of primer, but I got a big problem. I don't know why it's reacting the way it is, but the paint is starting like to crack up in some spots. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do right now. I'm stressing out just because it's car shows a couple days and this is not looking good. But I'm just gonna wait for it to dry up, and I'm just gonna keep going, you know, sand it down, wet sand it, and hopefully, if this is, you know, fuck it. I just got sanding it with a 320 grit. There you have it. I got sanding it with 320 grit all the way around. I tried taking off some of those little spider webs they call it. I think it was like a reaction when it was just too cold. That's why I got the heater here. But right now, guys, I'm gonna lay down the base coat, give it a few coats, and then tomorrow, hopefully we get this thing clear coated. You know, that's my biggest plan, but I got the first coat on. That's how it looks like right there. That's the first coat. I'm gonna need more paint, honestly. Way more paint. Okay guys, that is the second coat, and it's actually covering pretty damn good. I think I'll have enough with 2 cans. I have that other can too, so I'm in for luck. But look at this, turning out. It's turning out actually pretty damn good. Kind of sucks to have a rip right there on my bumper, but I don't even care. I'm gonna try to get a lip that covers that or something. But other than that, look at that. This is the third day. I work a lot, so I only have a few hours to work on this thing, so I'm back. But I finally put the last base coat on that. I had to use another can. I used three total, but I have extra, so I'm gonna end up painting my headlights over here, just the eyelid parts, so I can get them clear coated and done. I'm getting ready to set up for a clear coat on this car right here, on the bumper, so we can finish it off and let it dry for 24 hours before. This is the best I can get for a quick job, you know. I only worked on this for like 2-3 hours, you know. And also with that little issue I had, I managed to fix it up nice, you know. Bruh, check this out. Look at my car over there. God damn. See that baby right there? Ooh. Yes, sir. All for her right there. Okay guys, sorry I'm wearing a mask when I'm talking in this video, but I got the second coat of clear coat on this, and damn, that thing looks shiny, buddy. It's gonna be even nicer once I cut and buff it, but look at that. I need more up in the front. Kind of looks glazed, not wet. You guys can see that compared to this. I'm gonna go heavier on the front, make it wet. I got the edges good, but I need one more pass. Now I'm gonna call it good. But look at that, boys. Okay guys, I am done. That was the last coat of clear coat right there. This thing is shiny, boys. Yes, sir. Looks nice. Alright guys, that was it. Right there, you guys just saw me spray my bumper and my headlights over here. It came out freaking marvelous, guys. I'm super surprised. Sorry, the lighting sucks. I'm outside just because it freaking really stinks in there. Remember, if you're using your urethane paints, especially 2K clear coats, do not breathe that in. Trust me, it has some really bad chemicals in it. You want to stay away from all that. Do your research with all that chemicals first and then you guys take your risk, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, we're officially done. I'm gonna give it hours so it could dry, and then, you know, I'll show you guys the finished product in the end. Finally, I'm done with the bumper. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Bam. There it is, boys. There she is, man. Looking shiny as fuck. That is perfect, guys. If you guys have a setup to shoot the clear coat through a gun, that's a big recommended time. Like, it's hella recommended, dude. Trust me, you get the best results out of that. But now, it's time for me to put this back on. And I just have to show you guys right now. God damn. Look at that, boys. That looks shinier than my whole car. My whole car needs a full detail, guys. But look at that, man. Sheesh. Color is like identical, guys. Damn. But yeah, guys, look at that. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer all of them. I'm not a professional painter. I'm an experienced painter, which is a big difference, you know. I learned by experience, and if you guys like what you guys, make sure to copy me, but do it on your own risk. You know, I'm not faulty. I'm not at fault for your guys' mistakes. That's how you live and learn, you know, by mistakes. So yeah, guys, don't ever be afraid. Always step up to a challenge, and challenge yourselves, you know. I started from doing like dumb parts and painting and learning by fucking them up a lot. And now I'm at the point where I'm kind of like comfortable with this, so, you know, it works out. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. We got more bangers, I promise. Like always, this is your boy, Minty. And like that, man, have a safe weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, and always come back for them bangers, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe down below. Hurry up. Peace.